Learning area. My learning area is a small sensory exploration corner for infants and toddlers. I set it up with soft mats, low shelves, and safe sensory toys like textured balls, fabric squares, and shakers. Everything is within their reach and there are no sharp edges or clutters, so it is safe for them to move around. The open setup also helps me keep an eye on the children while they explore, which keeps them safe and engaged at the same time. For chosen strategy or activity for my lesson, I chose a storytelling and creative art activity. I started by reading them a short story, then we talk about the characters and what happened in the story. After that, the kids made their own drawings of their favorite part using crayons and colored paper. For physical development, this activity strengthens the fine motor skills as children grasp, squeeze, and shake the objects. It also supports gross motor skills as they reach, crawl, or move toward the materials. And for cognitive development, the sensory play encourages curiosity, problem solving, and understanding of the cause and effect. For example, shaking a rattle makes a noise. For language development, as the teacher labels the textures and sounds like soft, bumpy, or shake, children are exposed to new vocabulary and begin associating words with sensory experiences. For number 4, the social emotional development, this activity promotes the bonding of trust between the teacher and the children through shared exploration and positive interactions. Creative development, infants and toddlers use their imagination and curiosity as they discover new ways to play with the materials. And for our reflection, this activity supports different areas of development, including physical, because they use their hands and bodies to explore. For cognitive, as they discover new things, textures, and sounds or language when they talk about what they're touching or hearing. And social emotional, because they're building trust and connection through play. It really connects with what I learned in Edu 559 because we talk about creating nurturing and stimulating environment. I kept in mind that young children learn best through hands-on experiences and warm responsive interaction with adults. Because I believe that this strategy helps young children to develop in many ways. It supports their language and literacy skills through listening and talking about their story. Their cognitive skills as they recall and understand the events, and their fine motor skills as they draw and color. It also builds their social and emotional development because they share their ideas and express their feelings to